Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn English Easy Way. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Happy to see you again.
Today's topic is something so many English learners ask us.
Yes, a very common question, and sometimes a painful one.
The question is, why is my English not improving?
If you ever felt stuck, frustrated, or confused, today we are going to explain why.
Reason 1. You only study. You don't use English. Many students learn grammar, vocabulary, tenses, but they don't use the English they learn.
They memorize. But no speaking, no writing.
Language is not a theory subject. It's a skill.
Skills grow only when you practice.
Even simple practice is enough, but you must use English in real life.
Reason 2. You expect quick results. English is not instant noodles.
Yes, you can't learn it in 1 week or even 1 month.
Improvement takes time and patience.
And that's okay. Slow progress is still progress.
Reason 3. You are afraid of speaking. What if I make mistakes? What if people laugh? What if they don't understand me?
These fears stop your improvement more than anything else.
Remember, mistakes don't stop you. Silence does.
Speak imperfect English. That's how perfect English grows. Reason 4. You listen too fast, but don't repeat. Watching movies and listening to native speakers is great.
But if you never repeat, your speaking doesn't grow.
Listening is input. Speaking is output. You need both.
Shadowing is amazing for this. Listen and copy like an echo.
Reason 5. You translate everything. Thinking in your own language first, and then translating into English, makes your brain slow.
It feels like carrying a heavy bag every time you speak.
But don't worry, this is normal.
Start thinking small sentences directly in English. Like, I'm hungry. I'm tired. I'm ready.
It will slowly train your brain.
Reason 6. You're not consistent. Study 1 day, stop for 10 days, study again, stop again.
This breaks your momentum.
Just 10 minutes a day is better than 2 hours once a week.
Consistency greater than intensity.
Reason 7. You compare yourself to others. She speaks better than me. He improves faster.
Comparison kills confidence.
Your English journey is unique.
Focus on yourself, not others. So, how do you really improve? Use English daily, even 5 minutes.
Speak small, but speak every day.
Stop fearing mistakes.
Practice speaking, not just studying.
Progress will come. You won't even notice it at first.
But one day, someone will say, "Hey, your English is so good."
And you'll realize you didn't give up.
Final message. You are not stuck. You are learning. Slowly, silently, but surely.
Keep going. Your English is improving, even if you don't see it yet.
Believe in your progress.
Thank you for joining us today.
Like, share, and subscribe to Learn English Easy Way.
See you next time. Bye.